These are dying orchids or dead orchids. It is very sad to see these pictures of a dead orchid. Let us see how to revive them. How to revive dead orchids. To revive the dead orchid, we will need a magic liquid. Let us see how to prepare it. Welcome. To revive the dead orchid, let us take first a pot and fill it with water. Then let us put some cow dung dust, dried cow dung powder. If you can have a substitute of it as a cow dung cake, must be dried and fungus free. These are all very much dehydrated and very much dried and made powdered. Let us add a little of it to the water we have taken. Then let us stir it well. These are so dried, as you see here. You can use, as I told you, cow dung cakes, but that will take time, at least 24 hours to fast, to make this liquid fast. I have used cow dung powder. Now the next step is, let us dip these old tea bags into it. I have taken 2, 3 can be taken, 4 can be taken. It will take a little time to wait till the liquid turns completely red. It is still white. It will take half an hour. Let us leave it for a while and let the color come, and then we will go for the next step. Next is to put the liquid in sunlight. Keep the pot with the liquid in the sunlight for 30 minutes. After say half an hour, the liquid is ready. Now I will strain it with a strainer and show you the next step. Now take another pot, strain it. I don't have a good strainer, but I have these cocoa fibers. I can use it as a strainer. I am straining it because cow dung powder may create fungicide. So to avoid that development of fungus, it is to be strained out. You can see the color, it has become reddish. Though not completely red, it will not become that red. There are 2 more things to add to it. Please don't skip and watch till the end, so that if any dying orchid is with you, you can very well revive them. It is almost done. Now I will have to add few more things to it. This is leaf compost. Take a little of it, not as the volume of the cow dung powder we had taken. It is to be mixed, and I will not strain it out. It is not to be strained. I will add it to the liquid. Then I will mix it. Then let us see it completely mixed well to the water. In this magic liquid we are going to prepare. We have already added cow dung powder and tea bags and leaf compost. Then the next is hydrogen peroxide, 3%, few drops of it. It will help the rooting of the plant. As you know, cow dung powder and tea bag are rich in nitrogen. It will help the growth of the plant. Now our magic liquid is ready. We will add cocoa fiber as we require. And dip it into the liquid. Then we'll take few coconut peels and dip it too into the potion, into the magic potion. It is a potion for the plant which will help the plant revive, and we will leave it for half an hour again. Friends, have you ever heard about the bonsai trees of 5th generation? The bonsai 5G? Probably not. If you have not seen my videos, please, while it takes time to completely to soak the water, the magic liquid, I will tell you how to see them. If you search bonsai 5G on YouTube, you will get these videos. A playlist, a beautiful bonsai, a bonsai never before. And many more. So, friends, it's my request that you should go to watch these videos, and you can comment me freely on the comment section below. Thank you very much. If you Google for bonsai 5G, you will get this sort of videos. And so on. Please visit the sites and comment me. Thank you. We had gone a little bit beyond the topic, how to revive dead orchids. So now our growing material is completely ready. It has soaked almost to the saturation level, and I am prepared with other things I need: a cover, final cover, a net, some rubber bands, and I have got those 2 tea bags also, well deep and wet and absorbed with the potion. Then let us start the work. But it will be a lengthy process. I will have to bring them out and stretch the cocoa fiber first. Then I will put uh, the dying or dead plants, and it will be a lengthy process. Let me first complete it and I will show you. Thank you. So I have completed the work. I have wrapped the plant in the materials you had seen. I have put those tea bags and put rubber bands intact and a net to cover it up. Now we will wait for 15 days, and within that 15 days we have to put the whole ball in the potion we have prepared, the magic liquid, and we will hope the result. It is summer, so we have to do it every day. Every day we have to dip the ball in the potion at least once every day. So let us wait and hope the best of our work, and we will be meeting after 15 days. Thank you. Welcome back after long 15 days. Now this is the time to see the result. What do you think? Will there be any sign of life? No worry. Let me answer to the question. Yes, there must be sign of life because I have done it earlier. Whenever I post any video for my viewers, I always do it myself earlier and see the result, and then only I post or publish for my viewers. Friends, if you have not yet subscribed the channel, please subscribe because it is your channel. Let the channel grow and give you more videos like this. So let us go to the table and see the result. There are some greeneries visible to me. Yes, there must be some sign of life here. Let us see. Just a minute. We are going to explore the truth. Wow! I believe, but it is difficult to believe for others. So delicately grown, beautiful branches or offshoots. Wow! Really? Wow! There are two offshoots here. It is very interesting to see this happen. The plant was dead and we have revived. The poor orchid was dying. Almost 99% it was dead. But there is a development of the plant. Hope this plant will grow to bigger branches. Wow! I thank myself. So whenever you find your orchid dying, apply this method. Use cow dung powder, leaf compost, tea bags, and don't forget to add hydrogen peroxide, but a few drops only. I don't want to disturb this delicate plant now. I see the good roots, and there is life in the roots too. If you comment in the comment section below, I will, after a month or so, show you this plant with long living branches and maybe with flowers. How did you feel about the video? Thank you very much to view the video completely till the end. Never forget to subscribe. I hope that much only from you. So friends, we will be meeting soon in some more interesting videos. Goodbye.